Okay, grade 7. Today we will learn exercise 7B, basic level question 1 and 2. First of all, read the question number 1. Find a formula for the journal term of each of the following sequence. What you have to do, you have to find the formula of the journal term. So what is the journal term and how you find the formula? Let's see. All the parts are similar. I'm going to explain you. Okay. Okay, let's see the first sequence that is given 7, 13, 19, 25 and 31. The sequence is going on. Okay, the dot is showing the sequence is going on. What we have to find? We have to find the formula for the journal term. Okay, so this is your question. What we have to do is start solution. Let me explain you. 7, 13 and 19, 25, 31. These are the terms. What we call them? Term 1, I write here T1 means term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4 and term 5. Okay, everyone knows that each and every number in the sequence we call it term. So 7 is term 1, 13 is a term 2, term 3, term 4 and term 5, right? And before the term 1 is a T naught. Okay, before the term 1 the value which we call is T naught. What we are doing exercise 7B. Okay, we are finding the formula for the journal term. So first of all, everyone should know what are the terms. Okay, so these are the terms. The first step what we do for finding the formula of the journal term, find a common difference. What is the common difference? You just subtract term 2, subtract term 1 from the term 2. T2 minus T1, that is called the common difference. What is the first step? The first step to find the common difference. How you find the common difference? Just subtract T2, just subtract T1 from the T2. Like 13, T2 is 13 and T1 is 7. 13 minus 7 is 6. So your common difference is 6. Common difference क्या है? कि सबके बीच में एक ही difference चल रहा है, ठीक है? That is called the common difference. अगर difference common नहीं होगा तो उसकी strategy change होगी. लेकिन अभी आपके जो question इससे related है, उनमें common difference ही है, okay? So what is the common difference? That is 13 minus 7 is 6. Common difference कैसे find करते हैं? Term 2 में से term 1 को subtract करते हैं तो we find our common difference. This is the first step. Now come to the second step. Second step is the journal term. Journal term, how we show the journal term? T is for term and N. N is showing the journal term. Journal term means any term. कोई भी term आपको find करनी होगी तो हम यहाँ पे सिर्फ N लिख देंगे. लेकिन अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ कि आपको थर्ड टर्म फाइंड करनी है तो आप n की जगह 3 लिखेंगे, ठीक है? दिस इज शो द नंबर ऑफ द टर्म. यू हैव टू मेमोराइज दिस कि हम कैसे लिखेंगे जर्नल टर्म का फॉर्मूला. Tn इज इक्वल्स टू 6n. ये 6 हम हर क्वेश्चन में डिफरेंट होगा फॉर्मूले. ये 6 क्या होगा? दैट इज द कॉमन डिफरेंस. एंड n इज अ n फॉर्मूले में ही होगा, इसको हम n एज इट इज लिखेंगे प्लस, और इसको हम ब्लैंक छोड़ेंगे, इसको अभी हम फाइंड करेंगे कि यहाँ क्या आएगा, ठीक है? Let me explain you one more time. First of all, everyone should be clear that what is the terms. Terms are each and every number of the sequence. We called it term. Term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4 and term 5. And T naught is before that T1 is called T naught. T1 से पहले वाली term को we call T naught. ठीक है? This is the basic concept. Now how we find the formula for the journal term? This is our question that we have to find the formula for the journal term. First step, that is the common difference. कैसे find करेंगे common difference? T2 में से T1 को माइनस करेंगे, so you got the common difference. Now come to the second step. Second step is find the journal term. Journal term का फॉर्मूला कैसे बनाएंगे? You have to memorize it. Tn, T showing the terms, N showing the number of the term. ठीक है? Is equals to 6n. 6 is the common difference. ये हर क्वेश्चन में अलग होगा. जो आपका यहाँ से common difference लिख लेगा वो you have to write over here. 3, 2, 4, 5, 6 and so on. जो भी होगा आपका वो यहाँ लिखेंगे. इस क्वेश्चन के लिए आपका common difference है 6. N as it is plus और ये ब्लॉक हमने खाली छोड़ा है, इसको हम फाइंड करेंगे। अब हम इसको कैसे फाइंड करते हैं? एक्चुअली इस ब्लॉक में आएगी वैल्यू ऑफ टी नॉट। ओके, लेट मी शो यू हाउ वी फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ टी नॉट। Yeah, what we should write here? We should write here value of T naught. How we find that T naught? What is the T naught? T naught is before the T1, that is called T naught. T naught हम कैसे find करेंगे कि जो आपकी फर्स्ट टर्म है, फर्स्ट टर्म में से जो कॉमन डिफरेंस है उसको माइनस कर देंगे। फर्स्ट टर्म क्या है आपकी? दैट इज 7 और कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या है आपका? 6. So what you have to do? Just subtract the common difference from the T1, then you got the T naught. तो T naught is your 1. तो ये जो खाली स्पेस हमने छोड़ी थी, इधर हम लिख देंगे 1. यस, तो T naught हमने कैसे फाइंड करना है? यहाँ पे किसकी वैल्यू आएगी? T naught. एंड हाउ वी फाइंड द T naught? टर्म 1 में से वी हैव टू subtract the common difference. टर्म 1 क्या है? 7. Subtract 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So what we write here? 1. ठीक है, हम यहाँ पे 1 लिख देंगे। So this is the formula for the journal term. All the parts are same. Okay. In this question, we have only find the formula of the journal term. Yes. Now come to the question number 2. Question number 2 is given that the nth term, that Tn, the formula is given in this question. Tn of a sequence is, like formula for the journal term is Tn is equals to 2n plus 5. What is this? Question number 2 में the formula is already given. आपको question number 2 में formula given है. Question number 1 में आप क्या कह रहे हैं? You are generating formula. Question number 2 में formula आपको given है. What you have to find? You have to find the nth term. I already explained you that this n showing the term number. Nth term means कोई भी term. Like in part 1, they are saying fifth term मालूम करने के fifth number पर कौन सी term है. ठीक है, formula is given है. Fifth number पर कौन सी term आएगी? ये कैसे फाइंड करते हैं? Let me explain you. Yeah, so look at the question number 2. We have to find the nth term and the formula is already given. Nth term means any term. Here they mention that you have to find the fifth term. So what we have to do? जहाँ जहाँ n है वहाँ पे हम 5 put कर देंगे. Like same formula Tn, so T5. N की जगह what I put? 5. 2 as it is of formula. N की जगह what I put? 5 plus 5 as it is from the formula. Now solve it. It is very easy. 2 5s are 10 and plus 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. You just put the value. What you have to put? Put the value of n. The value of n is given. Part 1 में value of n is 5. Yeah, fifth term. And in part 2 the value of n is 8. The formula is already given. ठीक है? तो जहाँ जहाँ n है वहाँ पे अब आप second part में 8 put कर देंगे. You have to put 8. Okay. So जहाँ जहाँ n है वहाँ पे we put 8. Okay. T8 is equals to 2 from the formula and n की जगह we put 8 plus 5 from the formula. Let's solve it. 2 8s are 16 plus 5. 16 plus 5 is 21. So your 8th term will be the 21. Now let me explain your homework. So homework is very easier. This is a part 3. Question number 2, part 3 is your homework. The lowest common multiple of fifth term and the eighth term. What you have to find the lowest common multiple, like LCM. You have to find the LCM of the fifth and the eighth term of the sequence. Let me show you how to do this. Question number 2, part 3. This is your homework. What you have to find? Lowest common factor. Okay, LCM for lowest common multiple factor. LCM आपको find करना है. Term 5 का and term 8 का. Term 5 आपकी क्या आई? 15 and term 8 is 21. So you take a LCM. 15 का LCM is very easy. 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. The factors of 15 is 3 and 5. Okay. Now take the LCM of 21. 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. So what is the prime factors of 21 is 3 and 7. Yes. So ये फैक्टर्स कैसे फाइंड किए, जैसे अभी हमने एलसीएम फाइंड किया रफ वर्क में, इस तरह से आपने फैक्टर्स फाइंड करे. ठीक है. Now LCM of the fifth term and the eighth term is 3 multiplied by 5 into multiplied by 7. ये कैसे हमने फाइंड किया कि हम कॉमन फैक्टर कैसे निकालते हैं. दोनों में 3 है तो जस्ट वी राइट 3 ओनली वन टाइम. यहाँ पे 5 है, यहाँ 5 नहीं है तो जस्ट राइट 5. और यहाँ पे 7 है और 7 नहीं है तो जो अनकॉमन होते हैं वो यहाँ लिख देते हैं और कॉमन फैक्टर स्टार्ट में लिख देते हैं. कॉमन फैक्टर्स क्या है इसमें? 3. अनकॉमन फैक्टर कौन से? 5 and 7. So we just write 5 and 7 over here. Multiply them. 3 5s are 15, 15 7s are 105. So this is your homework.